Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up ACH transfers from your Schwab account. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it allows you to transfer funds between banks electronically. First, make sure you have your Schwab account access ready, including your account number and online banking credentials. Once you are logged into your Schwab account, navigate to the Transfer and Pay section. Here, you will find options for making various types of transfers. Select Send Money or Transfer Funds, depending on what you see. You will then need to enter the amount you wish to transfer and the recipient's bank account details. Be sure to enter the routing number accurately to avoid any delays. Next, choose the frequency of the transfer. You can set this up as a one-time transfer or schedule recurring transfers based on your needs. After entering all the necessary information, review it carefully before hitting the Submit button. Schwab will usually send you a confirmation email once the transfer has been processed. Finally, keep in mind that ACH transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to complete, depending on the banks involved. Make sure to check your Schwab account for updates on the status of your transfer. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Schwab customer service for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you set up ACH transfers effortlessly.